Got the puppies set up outside today. Looks like one got out, which is fine. The other dogs are locked up. I just wanted to have somewhere for me to enclose them in case I needed to, so I could let out the other dogs. But I didn't want them to eat their food because today we're getting dewormed again. Yeah. Got some dewormer mixed in with their food and a little bit in their water just in case someone didn't want to eat. So that's another reason why I wanted to put them outside, because anyone who keeps puppies, that is not a very fun part of the job. But yeah, we have them outside today because it's pretty nice. It's supposed to be really cold tomorrow, and they've been enjoying the sunshine, so I figured let them outside today for a bit. But yeah, I feel like it's supposed to be really cold tomorrow, so I'm not quite sure how much gardening I can get done today, but I wanted to start some seeds. And we were thinking about seeding the yard, but I might wait a couple of days to do that. We did test run our sprinklers yesterday to see how they held up through the winter, but it's like nice for 5 days and then it's cold, and then it's just bipolar weather right now. She's crying because she wants nothing to do with them right now. She's over it. She's just making sure no predators come for her babies. So she's just loving them from a distance. And they can get out. But they will sit there and scream at me until I let them out. Look, our smallest one, she can get out. But this one just... There you go. I gotta go work out. So I also got some spinach started today. I had some leftover soil and organic compost, and I bought some spinach not that long ago, so I just put some rocks in the bottom here, soil, and my first time ever trying to grow spinach, so we'll see how it works out. We'll see.